Hello, my name is Steve Sells. This is Traditional Muzzleloader. Today, I'm in the Carson National Forest in northern New Mexico, just a few miles from the Colorado border. I'm here doing scouting for a scheduled deer hunt this fall, and I thought I'd take the opportunity while I'm here to do a little shooting demonstration with my 54 caliber Hawken rifle. So this is my Hawken rifle. I had it commissioned in 2019. It's a copy of the last Hawken rifle owned by Kit Carson. That rifle is in Santa Fe, New Mexico, and I believe you can get an appointment to view the rifle if you'd like. This one is 54 caliber. It has a curly maple stock. Interestingly enough, the stump this stock was carved from was saved from a bonfire. I have some targets set up today, a spinner metallic target, and several organic biodegradable targets. So let's go do some shooting. This is how I load my Hawken rifle. This gun shoots its best groups with 70 grains of 3F GoX powder. So measure out the powder and pour it down the muzzle. I use cotton drill patching, and I lube it with a mixture of water and Ballistol, laying the strip out to dry, leaving the correct amount of oil in the patching. So this gun being 54 caliber, it takes a 226 grain soft lead ball. You position it on the patch with the sprue up and centered. Using the short starter, you give it a couple of whacks to get it started in the muzzle. With the patch knife, cut the patching off flush with the muzzle. This ensures that you have a perfectly centered and perfectly round patch every time. With the long end of the short starter, push the ball 3 to 4 inches down the muzzle. Then, using the ramrod, seat the ball firmly on the powder charge. I have it sighted to be dead on at 25 yards, which puts it about 1.5 inches high at 50 yards. For hunting purposes, I increase the powder charge to 90 grains. This gives me a point of impact 2 inches high at 100 yards, with enough power to cleanly take your game. Okay, I have my rifle loaded. I've got my eye protection and my hearing protection on, so we're going to cap it, take a shot at that pink spinning target. Well, I hope you enjoyed my shooting demonstration and our video today. If you would like more information on this and other traditional rifles, along with how to load and develop accurate loads for them, visit the website at www.traditionalmuzzleloader.com.